Okay, you're welcome back. The question is, if x raised to power of 4 and higher powers of x can be neglected, show that square root or square root 1 minus x over 1 plus x squared is equals to 1 minus x plus half x cubed. So we are asked to show this. So let's see how we go about it. The first thing, if our n is less than 1, what we need to do is to use this expansion. Now, if you are given this expansion, this is the question we are asked to actually expand. We can rewrite this as this. Square root means everything raised to the power of half. Using our law of indices, it will become this. And then, still using our law of indices, we can write it as this. So since we are dealing with a binomial problem, binomial means we are expanding to expansion of two variables, two different terms. So in this case, we now have a trinomial 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. That's the third term. So we find a way of reducing it. So we can write this as let y be equals to x plus x squared. X plus x squared. So this is what we have. Now, once we have done this, we can rewrite this equation, this expression, as 1 minus x raised to the power of half 1 plus y raised to the power of minus half. So we can now start this expression and expand it. So we need to be very, very careful when we are doing binomial expansion. So, but for the sake of our class, I will try my best to expand. So follow this pattern since our n is less than 1. So I'm going to copy this for the sake of our example. Now you see what I'm doing. So now 1 raised to the power of half plus half. So we have minus x. So we also have 1 raised to the power of half minus 1. I'm expanding so that you just follow the pattern. Plus the next one is half minus 1 over 2 factorial, then minus 2, then we have x minus x all squared. So the next one, let me just copy this. So this one will half minus 2 all over 3 factorial, then this one is 3, and then this one is 3. So we have that. So the next thing is to write, so this becomes 1. So the next one, which is that will be minus 1 over 2x. So this man becomes okay, let me just write it out. Half minus half over 2, then we have x squared. So plus, so we have 1 over 2. The next one, we have minus half over 2. Then we have minus 3 over 2 over 6. 3 factorial will give us 6, and then we have minus x to the power of 3. So this will give us minus x minus 1 over 8 x squared. Then 2, 3 we cancel out of this. 3 we cancel this. This will be 2. So we have minus. Okay, so we have minus 1 over 16 x cubed. So this is what we have for the first expansion. So we need to move to the second one, and the second one is 1 plus y raised to the power of minus half. So what we have in this case, let's follow this formula again. I'm going to copy this again. I'll just follow along as I try to explain this. So this now becomes 1 to the power of minus half. Then the next one is minus half. So 1 minus half minus 1, then we have 1. So the next one is this. Minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared. So we have 1 over 10. So we have that minus 1. So let me just copy this. Wait. So this becomes 3 factorial, and then we have minus half minus 2, and then this man becomes, so this is 2, this is supposed to be 2, not 1, and then this is supposed to be 3, and this becomes 3 also. So dash. So we have this expansion. So I'm going to expand everything out now and then see what we get. 1 plus y raised to the power of, so this is 1. So we have minus 1 over 2. This is y. Everything here is y. I'm using x. This is y. Change it back to y. So that's another side. This is y. So we have y here. So the next one that we have is this 1 over 2 minus minus 3 over 2 all over 2, then y squared. So plus the next one that we have there is minus half minus 3/2 minus 5/2. So 1/6, then y cubed plus dash dash dash. So here all the one has disappeared. We are no longer saying 1 because 1 anything will always give you 1. So just ignore that for. So I supposed to have jumped these steps, but for the sake of our video, let's that you can follow along and see how how we get all the terms. So that's for the sake of this video. It's not I'm not trying to hide any of the secrets from you. So now this man becomes minus 3/8 y squared. Then this this becomes plus. This is plus, not minus. So then this becomes 3 cancels out. So we have minus 5 over 16 y cubed. So this is what we have for the expansion of this. So now once we have gotten these two terms, we can work with what we can start merging the terms together. So I'm going to copy this and start the merging. So before we start the merging, I need to explain certain things to us, which is this our next step. Our y, remember our y is equals to x plus x squared. So that means 1 plus x squared raised to the power of minus half. This is the same thing as 1 plus y 1/2. So remember anywhere we see y in this thing now, we are going to replace it with. So I'm just going to copy this and drag it in. So I'm going to be changing this x plus x squared. So I'm going to change this x plus x squared. So and then I'm going to change this x plus x squared. Raised to the power of 3. So let's quickly expand that, then we move forward. So 1, minus x minus x squared. So the next one is 3/8. So this will give us x squared plus 2x cubed. So the next one I can ignore it because it's x raised to the power of 4. I'm going to ignore it. Anything x raised to the power of 4, the question says we should neglect it. So the next one is minus 5/16. So I'm going to open this. This will give me x cubed. So if you open the next term, which is, it will give you something raised to the power of 4. So you ignore the rest. So I'm going to ignore that. So this will be the expansion of this. You can take your pen and expand on your own by yourself so that you see what is happening. So while I'm neglecting certain terms, this expansion. So this will now be 3/8 x squared plus 3 over 4 x cubed minus 5 over 16 x cubed. So let's see whether we can merge any of these terms together. So this gives us 1. So minus half. So minus half x squared and this. So if this will give us 8. That will 4. So we have minus 1 over 8 x goes to the power of 3. So the next one, which is this, that will give us 4. That's 12. 12 minus 5, that will give you 7. So plus 7 over 16 x cubed. So this is our expansion for that. So now we can merge the two together. Don't forget that from the original question, by the time we simplify this. Okay, let me copy this so that you see what is happening. So you can see. So 1 minus x raised to the power of half. That gives us what that gives us is this. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy that and add it to our expansion. Then the next one is this expansion, which we have just got. The result we got here. Let me also copy that and paste it here. So now we can start. So if you use 1 to multiply everything on this side, you will get this back. So I'm going to copy this back here. I'm using 1 times this, 1 times that, 1 times everything in this one will give you this one back. So this is 1. Supposed to copy this, supposed to be this. So we have used 1. Now I'm going to use half, minus half to multiply this. So what I'm going to get in this case is minus half x. 1 times this, that will give you plus 1 over 4 x squared. So we have that. Then the next one, minus half times this, that will give us half and half. That will give us plus 1 over 16 x cubed. So if you use this half again to multiply it, it will give you raised to power 4. So ignore it. Anything raised to power 4 can be ignored. So we start with 1 over 8. 1 over 8 times 1 over 8 minus 1 over 8 x squared times 1. That will give us minus 1 over 8 x squared. So the next one, minus 1 over 8 times this, that will give us plus 1 over 16 x cubed. So we have that. Then if you use this one to multiply the next one, you use to power 4. So I ignore it. So I'm going to use this again. Okay, I'm through with this. So I'm start again. This one times this, that will give me minus 1 over 16. This is 16 x cubed. So don't forget, we are dealing with this. So I'm bringing it down here. So so let me bring this one down again. So 1. So if we look at this half minus half minus half minus half minus half, that will give you minus x. If you add these two together, okay, let me do it like this so that you will see what I'm saying. Plus minus half x minus half x. So that we have set to that side. So we move to the next term, which is our x squared. If you look at our x squared, let's collect all the x squared terms out. So this is squared. So this is another side. This one is squared, not 2. That's a mistake on my part. This is x squared. Add this and this together. This will give us 8. So this is squared. There's an type error on my side there. So the next one we have for the x. So I'm going to change this to squared. It's supposed to be squared. So we have minus 1 over 8 x squared. So plus minus 1 over 8 again. So we have minus 1 over 8 x squared. So then we have this plus. So we will drag it down. So the last one, which is our plus, which is 7 over 16 x cubed. X cubed. So we have this man, just follow along as I lift it, plus, so we have this 2 that I'm going to bring down. So I'll delete this. So I've copied out all these things. So 1, this and this will give me minus x. Everything here will go to 0. Everything here. Okay, let's, for the sake of our class, so this one becomes minus x. And then everything here goes to 0. That's 0. Then everything here we go to 2. So this becomes this 1 over 2 x cubed. So we have this. So this one is 0. I don't need to write it. So plus 1 over 2 x cubed. So this is going to be our final destination for this problem, for this particular question, this particular expansion. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's see how it looks like on the So this is the expansion of everything. So you can take your time to go over the video over and over again so that you can get a good grip of how to solve a kind of binomial problem of this nature. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to this video and share with your friends and colleagues. So thank you. So we'll be expecting you back again for the next